Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the comparison of Realme X2 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So these two phones are the best sounding phones on the market right now. They both have dual speakers and they both come with Dolby Atmos inbuilt. Now the question is, will a 37,000 rupee phone sound better or a 87,000 rupee phone sound better? So I'm using a Sony Xperia Z3 to compare these two speakers which sound the loudest. So we'll start with the Realme X2 Pro first, and then we'll go to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So here we go. I'll just reset it over here and let's start.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
And now I'll just reset it again. So as you can see, the maximum dB it went was 104, and let's see whether this can catch up.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
So as I said earlier, that these two phones are the best sounding phones on the market right now, and that is absolutely true. The Realme X2 Pro sounds a little louder, but the Note has better bass. So whatever your preferences are, guys, I don't know if you like the Realme X2 Pro or the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Do comment in the comment section and let me know which phone did you find better. In my opinion, I found the Realme X2 Pro better, as cost-wise as well, because the price of this phone doesn't hurt your pocket, but the bass and the overall quality of the sound is better on the Note 10 Plus. But the price is also too much, because it's for 87,000 rupees. That's just monstrous price to pay for a phone. But this phone can do exactly the same, right? So guys, I hope you like this video. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and I'll be back with more videos. So you take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.